Today, I'm going to teach you how to add music in DaVinci Resolve. Whether you're working on a short film, a YouTube video, or any creative project, adding the right music can completely transform the mood and impact of your content. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can start enhancing your videos with audio. First, you'll need to open your DaVinci Resolve application. Once the program launches and you're in your project, direct your attention to the bottom of the screen where you'll see several workspace tabs. Click on the one labeled Edit. This tab is where you'll be doing most of your video and audio editing work, and it's essential for managing your timeline and media. Now that you're in the Edit workspace, it's time to import your music file. Look toward the top of the screen and click on File. A drop-down menu will appear with various options. From this menu, click on Import and then select Media. This opens up a file browser that allows you to navigate through your computer's folders. Browse to the location where your music file is stored. This could be in your Downloads folder, a dedicated music library, or wherever you've saved the audio track you want to use. Once you've located the file, click on it to select it, and then click Open. This action imports the music file into DaVinci Resolve. After clicking Open, you'll notice that your music file now appears in the Media Pool. The Media Pool is typically located in the upper left section of the Edit workspace and serves as a central hub for all your imported assets. Your music is now ready to be used in your project. To actually add the music to your video, simply click on the music file in your Media Pool and drag it down to your timeline. The timeline is the horizontal area at the bottom of the screen where all your video and audio clips are arranged. You can place the music on any audio track and position it wherever you want it to start playing in your video. Now, if you want to make adjustments to your music, click on the music clip directly in your timeline to select it. Once it's selected, look to the top right of the screen and click on Inspector. The Inspector panel is your control center for modifying clip properties and settings. In the Inspector panel, you'll find a variety of audio controls that allow you to fine-tune your music. You can adjust the volume to make it louder or softer, modify the pan to control whether the sound comes more from the left or right speaker, change the pitch if you want to alter the tone, adjust the speed to make the music faster or slower, and explore other audio properties. These tools give you complete creative control over how your music sounds in the final video. And there you have it. You've successfully added music to your DaVinci Resolve project and learned how to customize it to fit your creative vision. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.